Python's multiple inheritance allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from more than one parent class. This enables complex class hierarchies and promotes code reuse. By leveraging the method resolution order, MRO, Python ensures a predictable and consistent way to resolve method calls, distinguishing it from single inheritance languages. Python's multiple inheritance allows a class to inherit from multiple parent classes, enabling complex class hierarchies and efficient code reuse. This mechanism distinguishes Python from single inheritance languages by providing flexibility in combining functionalities, leading to more sophisticated and versatile software design. Multiple inheritance allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from multiple parent classes, creating a unified interface. This fusion of behaviors enables diverse capabilities in a single class. However, it introduces complexity and potential ambiguities, such as the diamond problem. Python addresses these issues using method resolution order, MRO, with C3 linearization to ensure clarity. Multiple inheritance offers key advantages like code reusability, allowing efficient reuse across class hierarchies. It supports real-world modeling by enabling complex entities to inherit multiple roles. Mix-in patterns enhance functionality without deep inheritance chains. For instance, a multimedia class inherits from video and audio, merging video and audio capabilities into a unified interface. The multimedia class inherits from both video and audio, allowing it to utilize play video and play audio methods. This structure exemplifies multiple inheritance, enabling the multimedia class to function as a comprehensive media handler, seamlessly integrating video and audio functionalities. The multimedia class inherits from video and audio, initializing with resolution, bitrate, and format. It combines functionalities, allowing media to play video at 1920 by 1080 and audio at 320 kilobits per second. The format is MP4, demonstrating effective use of multiple inheritance to create a comprehensive media handler.